Today I've got the ultimate steal a brain-rich script pack with crazy features that let you steal, fight, and dominate the game like never before. If you're ready to take over, this one's for you. Auto Steal. Grab brains instantly. No effort needed. Fey Invisible. Turn invisible and strike without being seen. Exploit Fly. Soar through the map and move anywhere. ESP. Track players and hidden spots with ease. Teleport anywhere. Get across the map in one click. Speed Hack. Outrun everyone and stay untouchable. So if you're ready to master Steal a Brainrit and crush the competition, this script is all you need. Smash that like button, subscribe for more op scripts, and grab the link in the description to start winning today.